Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. For returning subscribers, thanks for coming back. Now today's video, I'll be showing you how I'll be stewing these guavas, guava fruit. And after stewing my guavas, I'll be using them to make a Caribbean guava tart, but that will be in a separate video. So let me first show you the process of stewing the guava shells. First, we're going to have to peel the guavas. Okay, I've now completed the process of removing all the seeds from the guava shells, and this is what we have. And also from the seeds and the skin, I'll be doing a separate video showing you how I'll be making guava jam from the seeds and the skin. So now let's move over to the stove where we'll begin the process of stewing the guava shells. Okay, we are now ready to stew the guava shells, and we have now poured the guava shells into my saucepan. I have the stove on a low flame. I have exactly approximately 2 cups of guava shells. So I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar. I'm using white granulated sugar. I'm gonna add about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. This is what I'll be using. And I'll also add 1 cup of water. And I'm going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes on low flame, and I'll come back and we'll check the progress. I'll just stir it for a bit to get the sugar all melted. I'll be back to check the progress in about 20 minutes. Okay, it's now boiling. So we're gonna leave it until that water has dried up a bit. Make sure you keep an eye out so it doesn't burn. Okay, it is now thickening. So we'll continue to let it boil, but let it stay on a low flame until it has completely thickened up. So it's just about done. I'll turn the stove off. So I'll let it sit so it can cool down and it will thicken. I'll now pour it out into a container so it can sit and cool, preferably a glass dish. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and if you like, you can subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Bye!